Motorcycle and Jack Daniel's Whiskey team up for Indian Chieftain Limited Edition. While we do not condone riding and drinking, there is a certain image of the biker as a hard-partying, hard-drinking rebel on a cruiser. To that end, two iconic American brands, Indian Motorcycle and Jack Daniel's Distillery, have come together to issue a limited edition Indian Chieftain in a limited production run of 100 units worldwide. Based on the standard Indian Chieftain with its 1,811 cc understroke V-twin, the Jack Daniel's Indian Chieftain features a special white and black crystal paint job. Work on this bagger was done by Clockworks Custom Cycles of South Dakota, U.S. As can be expected, the Jack Daniel's logo features prominently on the paint scheme, along with the old number 7 logo, the Jack Daniel's trademark. The bike's edition number is painted on the tank center console, and the horn is covered by a pure silver cover made by Montana silversmiths. Unique to the Jack Daniel's Chieftain are cam, primary, and air intake covers, and a 200-watt sound system with saddlebag speakers is fitted as standard. Also standard is an electric windshield and Indian's Right Command infotainment and navigation system. Part of the limited edition package includes an American flag made from wood taken from casks used to store Jack Daniel's whiskey. Each flag is customized with the owner's name, motorcycle edition number and vehicle identification number. Billet machined floorboards are added, emblazoned with Jack Daniel's design elements including a reminder that bottles and throttles don't mix. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.